Hi there, this is Michelle from Sherwood, Oregon, and I'm going to be recording a video today. It's been a very long time since I've uploaded anything on my Facebook page. I have been on the journey for the pre-op for the VSG surgery, and I started this journey over a year ago, probably 3 years ago, in researching and trying to figure out what kind of surgery I wanted to have and how to go about it if my insurance would cover it. I started a program up at OHSU in Portland, Oregon in August of 2016. Went through all of the pre-qualifications. I wasn't over 40 BMI when I started my journey, and even though I had comorbidities, my insurance denied me. I went through several different appeal processes to try to get my insurance to overturn the denial, and I'm happy to say that after fighting with my insurance for over 6 months, I was able to get approved for surgery, and I am having the sleeve gastrectomy surgery on November 16th in Portland, Oregon. So I'm very excited about it. It's all happening very, very fast. I got notification through my insurance company it's been in the last month. And they initially, it was probably about the beginning or right around Memorial Day. No, sorry. Scratch that, not Memorial Day. Labor Day. That things were possibly going to be turning around. So then it was towards the end of September, beginning of October that I got notification. They wanted to do the surgery 2 weeks from then, so mid-October, but that was just not enough time to be able to prepare and get time off work and everything. So we went ahead and scheduled it for an additional month out. So yeah, I guess it's been about a month since I found out that insurance was going to go ahead and approve it. The doctor does want me to lose a little bit of weight. The reason why the insurance decided to flip it, I did get my employer involved, and there was lots of discussions and investigations going on from my employer's perspective, trying to find out why they were denying me. And because my sleep apnea was being controlled by a CPAP machine, the insurance was indicating that the surgery wasn't going to be medically necessary. So I actually ended up gaining about 12 pounds during the process. I was really stressed out, and I just was very disappointed that it wasn't going to happen, and just feeling very discouraged and very depressed. So I ended up gaining some weight, and I went in and qualified. I got weighed at my doctor's office, and I was actually 40.5 BMI when I went in and weighed myself. That put me at a weight of about 274 and a half pounds. When I started the process, I was 256 pounds, which put me at about 37 BMI. So the doctor really wants me to get back to that weight. I'm really close to getting back to that. And I'm hoping, just being very strict with my diet in the next couple weeks, because I'm about 18 days out from surgery at this point. I've quit drinking coffee, I've quit drinking soda, and I'm just focusing on just doing the liver reduction diet at this point, which, if you don't know what that is, just Google it. There's lots of medical centers across the country that have information on the liver reduction diet. The reason why you need to do this type of diet, which consists strictly of protein, water, protein shakes, no fruit or anything added to it, and just healthy vegetables, steamed or sauteed or baked. I do a lot of baked vegetables and some kind of lean protein like turkey or chicken. The reason why you need to go onto that type of diet, because when they go into the surgery and they start moving things around, they actually have to move the liver out of the way so that they can get to your stomach to do it laparoscopically. And if your liver is too fatty, then it could bleed when they start handling it, or it could be too heavy. I don't think I'll have that problem because I'm not, I'm barely at the morbidly obese stage, being right at that 40, or now I'm actually less, because last time I weighed myself I was 263, so I'm really close to my beginning weight, and I'm not over 40 BMI anymore. So anyways, I just wanted to share a little bit about my news because I'm very excited, and if you've watched my other videos, you know that I have just been on this journey for a while, and I'm very excited about it, and I'm very excited to share my progress with you. And I will post another video when I get closer to my surgery date and let you know how I'm doing with my weight loss up until surgery, as well as the liquid diet that I'll be going on 48 hours prior to surgery. I've got family coming up to help with managing the house. I don't have kids at home. My kids are all grown, but my sister's coming up from California, and I'm very excited about that. Kind of an emotional side of the entire process is my husband has really been struggling with it, and it's kind of been a bit of strain on our marriage. So I think having my sister come up and having someone supportive for me, but also someone supportive for him, because he's really close to her and he can talk to her about things that he typically just can't share with me, as far as those emotional fear-based feelings about going under anesthesia and what that means, and any kind of complications that might happen, because he's done lots of research. And you know, when you Google something on the internet, like, what does this pain in my left armpit mean? You know, you've got 17 different types of cancers that come up, and it's scary, and don't ever do that. But he's done that, and it's been a bit of a struggle between us. So I'm excited to have someone supportive that's coming, that's got my best interests in mind, as well as someone that he can lean on and he can get that. So I don't have a large support network up in Oregon. I don't have a lot of close friends, and I have no family besides my kids. But you know, as far as an adult support system, I don't really have that. So anyways, please leave comments, and thank you for following me in my journey, and I appreciate all the advice and input that I've been getting from everyone, not just in the YouTube community, but all the different Facebook groups that I've been following over the last, over a year, and I'm really excited to see this all come together. So thanks so much, you guys, and have a great Monday.